Since its launch date, Bitcoin Cash has shown extensive growth in the crypto market. Bitcoin Cash has given a great return to its initial investors in 2017. Bitcoin Cash prices rallied to an all-time high of $4,355.62 in December 2017. Since then, Bitcoin Cash has been showing a bearish performance. Bitcoin Cash has lost almost 90% of its value since it touched its all-time high. Bitcoin Cash is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. BCH has the vision to work in the same way as physical money works. Bitcoin Cash payments can be sent directly from one person to another. The Bitcoin Cash project is one of the most popular DeFi projects in the market. Bitcoin Cash is a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that is an alternative to Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash Network is famous for its faster speed and cost-effective payment solution. BCH aims to become global money with a fast payment service with micro fees, privacy, and high transaction capacity. Bitcoin Cash is unique in some terms. Bitcoin Cash cannot be seized or frozen because financial third parties have no control over the Bitcoin Cash network. Bitcoin Cash often behaves like a pump and dump, but it is a growing project. Just after a few months of launch, Bitcoin Cash has gained the huge attention of the crypto community and is now listed on premium exchanges like Kraken and FTX. Bitcoin Cash has undoubtedly a great future that has the backing of real use cases. Bitcoin Cash is legit in the same way as other cryptos. While many crypto analysts doubt the legitimacy of new coins, but Bitcoin Cash is comparatively an old project. With real use cases, Bitcoin Cash has the backing of the DeFi community, which makes it trustable. As we found through CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin Cash is growing day by day, so we can say that Bitcoin Cash is legit. Many crypto experts have suggested that Bitcoin Cash's value will continue to expand. Bitcoin Cash has a maximum token supply of 21 million BCH tokens, and it's a fair number. By the technical analysis of Bitcoin Cash and recent pumping, it looks promising in the long term. However, never forget that there is always some risk to any investment. Cryptos are not just the most profitable but riskiest asset as well. The price prediction of Bitcoin Cash looks bullish for the next 10 years. Bitcoin Cash can easily cross the $3,500 cap in 2030. It depends upon you which type of investment you choose, for the long term or the short one. If more investors are attracted to the project, the prices of Bitcoin Cash can skyrocket in upcoming years. But we would like to suggest our readers do some personal level analysis and study before making any crypto investment. If you're looking for the Bitcoin Cash price prediction or finding the potential of the BCH coin, this price forecast can be helpful for you. This BCH coin price forecast is based on a deep technical analysis and the past performance of Bitcoin Cash. Here I will try to analyze the potential of Bitcoin Cash in the long term. BCH is the native token on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain ecosystem. The real use cases of the Bitcoin Cash project make BCH coin a promising project in the long term. As we found through CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin Cash has a limited token supply of 21 million BCH tokens. With limited token supply and the response from the investors, Bitcoin Cash looks strong. As all cryptos are down in 2022, Bitcoin Cash's performance is also showing slow growth 2022. There are strong possibilities that Bitcoin Cash can get again its position in the month end of 2022. There is a strong possibility that the price of Bitcoin Cash can hit an average price level of $243.25 mark by 2022. The year can end with a maximum price of $385.53 if there is any bullish event. If there is any bearish run in the market, the minimum price level of Bitcoin Cash can be around $191.16. Bitcoin Cash has great potential if you're going to hold it for the long term. As per this Bitcoin Cash price prediction, Bitcoin Cash can reach a maximum price level of $544.31 by 2023. However, the average price of Bitcoin Cash can be around $489.13. And if there is any bearish trend, the minimum price of a Bitcoin Cash token can be down up to $428.35. In the next bull rally, the prices of Bitcoin Cash may surge more than our long-term Bitcoin Cash price prediction. As per this Bitcoin Cash price prediction, the Bitcoin Cash prices can hit a new all-this high level this year. By 2025, we may expect an average price of $825.57 depending upon the market trend. This maximum price prediction for Bitcoin Cash is $953.96 in 2025. While the minimum price level can be around $762.19. If the market gets bullish, might the Bitcoin Cash surge more than our Bitcoin Cash price forecast in 2025? There are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age in 2030. Real project-based digital assets can overtake the market. The year 2030 can end with an average price of $3,451.58, while the minimum price value of Bitcoin Cash can be around $3,176.72. Along with Bitcoin Cash, many cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $3,807.59. If there is any bull rally in 2030, the prices of Bitcoin Cash may skyrocket and surpass this price forecast. As per this long-term Bitcoin Cash price forecast, the Bitcoin Cash prices can hit a new all-time high level this year. In 2040, we may expect an average price of $7,142.62 depending upon the market trend. This maximum price prediction for Bitcoin Cash is $7,821.34 in 2040. If the market gets bullish, Bitcoin Cash may surge more than our Bitcoin Cash price forecast in 2040. While the minimum price level of Bitcoin Cash can be around $6,861.19 if the market gets bearish. Bitcoin Cash has great potential if you're going to hold it for the long term. As per this Bitcoin Cash price prediction, the year 2050 can end with an average price of $15,912.28. While the minimum price value of a Bitcoin Cash can be around $14,735.15. After such a long journey, along with Bitcoin Cash, many cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. In 2050, the maximum price of Bitcoin Cash is expected to be trading at around $16,345.56. If more investors are attracted to Bitcoin Cash in between these years, the prices of Bitcoin Cash can be much higher in 2050 than this price forecast.